Let's learn how to dye natural leather and make it of your favorite color. First of all, wear a pair of gloves and drop a bit of paint into a fat container, such as a plastic dish or something similar. Then you should choose your tool for the application. It can be a sponge, a dauber, or a cloth. In our demonstration, we use a synthetic sponge. As step number 2, dip the sponge into the paint and proceed applying the dyes with circular movements on your natural leather surface. When finished, you have to wait around 10 minutes for the paint drying completely. During this time, you will see the color changing from a darker shade to a lighter shade. The next step consists in repeating the leather dye application, using the same procedure as before. During the second application, the paint has more difficult to penetrate the leather, so pay attention to apply less quantity of paint during this phase. If you still see some wet part on your leather, it means that you have applied too much paint on that side. So remove the paint in excess using the dry part of your sponge or a clean cloth. In this way you will get a uniform colored leather surface. Now let it dry again for around 10 minutes and the leather dyeing process will be completed. Just to resume the steps. Drop the paint into a flat container. Apply the leather dye with circular movements. Let it dry completely for around 10 minutes. Repeat the dyeing application using less quantity. Remove the paint in excess before it dries. Have a good dyeing!